Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar. So before we do that, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. These buttons are for you. I can't subscribe to my own channel, so subscribe, like and share. And below the video we have the links. The first link says swing like a pro. So when you click on the first link, you will come to this page where you can see all these setups I have taken in the past, and you can see how I do everything. So go and watch these videos on this page, and then you can join this program if you want to. And after that, you have the second link which says book consultation. You can talk to me one-to-one. You can book consultation with me and check out the brokers. The third link is my Telegram. Go and join my Telegram for free. Make sure you do that. Coming back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we have a bearish candle. Okay, so weekly we have this new low pullback and we might go down. Okay, so coming back to daily, in daily we are right at the EMI, but we have left the resistance at the top. Okay, so this is acting like a double top, so this high did not break this high, so we might go down. So let's come back to 4 hour. In 4 hour we are already down. This resistance has been left. Okay, so new low, pullback, and then we go down. Okay, so wait and watch. Pullback will happen, so no entering right now. Do not enter short right now, obviously. This is exhausted, so price has to take a pullback, and then it will decide if it will continue the uptrend or it will go down. Okay, so more probably it will go down. Keep an eye, be smart. Okay, if it breaks this high, then we go up. Otherwise it comes here, touches the EMI, then bearish candle, then we go down. You know how this works. But if you want precise entry exit TP, then check out the first link, come to this page and join this program. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.